So after you've just seen all those fun, interesting clips, let me just go into detail for you. So I'm on my way to school, which is like, it's a community college. It's like 25 minutes from my house, and I'm on my way to my public speaking class. Okay, seems fine. Then all of a sudden I hear this huge pop sound, and then my tires like makes like a sound, and literally it has all full air in it, like it's fine. And then so I said, well, that's SOL for me. So I called my stepdad, and my stepdad came and he looked at it and stuff, and I guess my wheel bearing might have cracked. What's that, you say? Well, I don't know. So, maybe look it up. So here I am now, waiting to be picked up. Now I'm bored. So this is a great start to my day. Had to call off of work. Got to miss class, that was mandatory. Gotta love that for me. So, here we are. Rachel saved my whole life, after sitting there for like 20 minutes trying to figure out what was good with my car.
I was so loud.
You don't. So now we're here at McDonald's getting iced teas. We literally get them so much.
Always.
Oh my god, look how good everything
Can I help you?
Hi, can I have 2 half-cut large iced teas, please?
Cheesy bacon fries.
Should I get fries? Should I get a small fry? I'm gonna get a small fry.
Should I get a small fry? I'm gonna get a small fry.
Can I just have a small fry, please?
Cheesy.
Small fry, sure.
That's it.
Give me 3 days for sundown.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, an Oreo McFlurry.
Wow.
That would be cool. Oh, Ben just texted us. What did Ben say?
And he said, Ben, I got us dorm snacks. LOL, I got the goods.
I got the goods. You heard it here. He's got the goods. He's got the goods. Tonawanda Moving Service. Is that says?
Tana! Wanda!
Hey, Baba. Every time I go, you still have mints in this?
Yeah. He said secrets.
Secrets?
Okay, I got us a shit ton of raw hamburgers.
Ew. Look how cute this little mint thing is.
What? You just take the meat and chow it raw.
Hi guys, so I was just editing and I realized that I didn't film a proper end to the video. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying until this far. It means so much to me that I have your support, and I'm so excited to see where this journey takes me. I'm super excited to share so much with you all. Yeah, if you liked it, hit that big red button right there. Give it a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you next time.
We live